work done by constant force. If you are applying the constant force, then what is the work done expression? We'll see now. Ready now, all of you? 12 students. Okay. So to derive this derivation, let us consider horizontal surface. Everyone try to understand the concept. So this is the horizontal surface. On this surface we are keeping a block or object or a body. This is what? Object. So if you are applying a force, okay, so how we are applying the force? In this direction. Let us take it as a F. So imagination ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮನೆಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೆಕೋರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೆವಿ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಈಗ ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ನ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಹಿಡ್ಕಿ ಟೈಪ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಎಳಿತೀರಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಎಳೆಯೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ದಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್. So similarly, the same here, this object can be dragging by the force F. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ force apply ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಎಳಿತಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? It is moving in this direction. Imagine ಇದು ಈ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ? ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ. ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಲೋಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ? ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಹಿಂಗ ಎಳೆಯಕತ್ತೀರಿ. Then it will move in this direction only. So it will cover certain distance. So from this point to this point, it covers a distance. This is nothing but what? Displacement S. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದ. ಚಲೋ. So now I am going to resolve this force into two components. One is along horizontal, another is along vertical. So horizontal component. So always angle between this force and this displacement gives angle theta. So theta is nothing but what? Angle between direction of F and S. So here this theta is making an angle with respect to this dotted line indicates what? Displacement S. Then F and S making an angle theta. Then this will be F cos theta and this is F sin theta. Is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? See here now. So you are applying force in this direction and the block is displacing in the same direction. ಯಾವ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾಗತೈತಿ? ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, ಡಬ್ಬಿನ. ಅದನ್ನ ಎಳೆಯಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಕತ್ತೀರಿ? ಇನ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಓನ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತೀರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತೀರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ you are applying the direction towards you means the displacement will be in the same direction. ಎರಡು same direction ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Then you can take the angle is positive, work is done positive. We'll discuss. Now see here. So here vertical component is there, F sin theta. Any motion, any work is done on this block by vertical motion. Block is moving in upward or downward? No, no. So vertical is 0. Why it is 0? Practically you can say there is no vertical motion, that's why F sin theta is 0. And by seeing the graph or this diagram, see here, this force component and displacement both are perpendicular. So both are perpendicular means cos 90. Work done, how to calculate? F into displacement. So F dot S, this can be written as Fs cos theta. So F and S value is given. Then cos theta, theta value is, both are perpendicular means cos 90. Cos 90 is how much? Cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 is 0 means vertically there is no motion. Simple thing is block is moving horizontally, there is no vertical motion. ಇವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾಕೆ we are not considering this F sin theta, we are considering only F cos theta because F cos theta is in the direction of displacement. That's why we call it as a component of F cos theta. If the if you are resolving the displacement, yes, in the direction of the displacement direction of force apply ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ರ, suppose the displacement is in this direction, so you can resolve this displacement and the force into two components. Then you can say yes sin theta and yes cos theta. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? So you are resolving a displacement means there is a s sin theta and s cos theta. If you are resolving a force component means f cos theta and f sin theta. Now this diagram is understood? Clear ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಗಂತ? Now write, consider a block on a horizontal surface. F is force acting on a block or object. What is M here? Mass of the block or object or a body or particle, anything. What is theta here? Theta. Angle between direction of F find yes. Always theta is in between force and displacement. What is S here? Displacement of the block. What is F cos theta here? F cos theta. What is F cos theta here? Along displacement, horizontal or a displacement. Very good. F is what? Component of along displacement. ಇವೆರಡು components ಅಲ್ವಾ? F cos theta ಮತ್ತೆ F sin theta components of what? Force. Similarly F sin theta is what? Who will answer? Component of F vertical direction, or F is perpendicular to displacement. F direction. This is force, na component is nothing but a force. F is perpendicular to displacement. This is F. So now by the definition, what is the definition here? By the definition, work done capital W is equals to component of force F along the direction of displacement into displacement. Now write here W, this is yes, W is equals to component of force F along the direction of displacement is nothing but F cos theta into displacement S. This can be written as Fs cos theta. Bariboda, multiplication is there, 1 into 2 into 3, how much? 6, 3 into 2 into 1, 6, Baribodala. So 1 into 2 into 3, how much ma? 6 only, again 3 into 2 into 1, 6 only. We can exchange the term F cos theta, 1, 2, 3. Replace what Baribodala? We can write here Fs cos theta. Now this Fs cos theta can be written as F dot S. Work done is equals to vector F dot S. Dot product of F and S gives what? Fs cos theta. Let us take it as equation number 1. W is equals to Fs cos theta. Equation 1, very important equation. And finally we can write W is equals to F dot S. So here work done, conclusion. Work done is equals to dot product of force and displacement. Dot product of force and displacement. So based on equation 1, we are having the 3 special cases regarding theta. First case, in that first one, if theta is equals to 0, I am going to consider this equation. Work done W is equals to Fs cos theta. So theta value 0 aitandre enagutte, then equation 1 becomes what happens? Work done W is equals to Fs cos theta. This can be written as Fs cos 0. Cos 0 value, cos 0 value 1. Girls, 1 how the positive 1 or negative 1? Positive 1. So here positive 1. This is what work done, or you can say work done is equals to Fs. This is equation number 2. See here, work done is equals to positive Fs. Then you can say here work done is maximum. If work done is positive, it gives what? Maximum work done. Right here, work done is positive, or you can say it is a maximum. When you are going to say work done is positive or maximum, ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ? when theta equals to 0, both force and displacement both should be in the same direction. Applied force and the displacement both should be in the same direction, and the condition is theta equals to 0. ಎರಡು same direction ಒಳಗೆ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ they are parallel. Parallel means angle will be 0, then cos 0 is 1, then you will get a positive work done here. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನಾ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? So here work done is positive or a maximum. Conditions ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ. Try to remember. When applied force and the displacement both in the same direction, then you can say there is a maximum work done. ಯಾವಾಗ maximum work done ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? If force and displacement are in the same direction. ಅದರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ theta is 0. Same direction means they may be parallel or they may be in the same direction. What is the angle here? 0 na? This is mathematically and this is by physics. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? when you are going to say work is positive or maximum, say repeat it. Force and displacement should be in the same direction. Clear or not? Example, see here, positive work done ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿ, ಚಕಡಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಹಾರ್ಸ್, ಕುದುರೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ. see here we are considering an example. ಈಗ ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬುಲ್ಲಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಟ್. so here or you can consider a horse and a cart. ಚಕ್ಡಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಇಫ್ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಕಾರ್ಟ್, ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಕ್ಡಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಚಕ್ಡಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಕಾರ್ಟ್. ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಕಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, ಅದರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗನೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಚಕ್ಡಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಎತ್ತು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕೋಣಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಾಕತ್ತೈತಿ, ಗಾಡಿನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರಾಕತ್ತೈತಿ, ಏನಾಗತ್ತೈತಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಆಗತೈತಿ. ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೋದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. So here cart is moving from this position to this position, means here horse is applying the force, yes or no? Then here applying the force by horse is positive. Same direction ದೊಳಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, positive force. Right here example, when a horse pulls a cart, the applied force by the horse and the displacement both are same. Hence horse force is positive. ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಲೇ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್. ಸೊ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಪುಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಟ್, ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದ. ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಅದರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗನ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಕತ್ರ ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತದ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ನೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ? ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದ ಅದರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಅದರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ another example. So if you are lifting an object, see here all of you, so you are lifting a heavy object or a lighter object, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ you are applying on this object, the duster is object here, so you are applying a force. Which force? Lifting force. You are lifting. Now it is at this position, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. So you are lifting now. What happens? ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? You are applying the lifting force. Normal reaction in the vertical direction. Displacement ಕೂಡ other direction ಒಳಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Once again, now it is a horizontal surface my hand. So object is there. So here now you are lifting this object in this direction. See here, you are applying the force in upward direction. So initially position is here, just the position. Now it comes to this position. Is the height ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ displace ಆಯ್ತಾ? Understood or not? So you are applying the force in vertically upward direction. Yes or no? ತಿಳಿತಾ? Now one more example. If you are leaving or releasing any object freely, that object is falling under the gravity freely. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, it is falling here. See here, this is the object. Now I am releasing from certain height. ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, it is falling down. Why? Due to gravity. So there is a attractive gravity force. ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? Downward. And the displacement also downward. Both are in the same direction. Then work done is positive. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ? Yes or no? Any object, if you are releasing, means what happens? That object will be coming to earth, towards the earth. Means what? Gravity force is attracting towards the earth, means it is a positive. Suppose suppose you are lifting the object vertically upward means gravity is negative. अर्थ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Yes or no? चलो one example is enough. Next second case, if theta is 180 degree, then equation 1 becomes ಏನಿದೆ equation 1? W is equals to Fs cos theta, right? W is equals to Fs cos 180. Cos 180 ಎಷ್ಟು? Cos 180. Cos 180 is equals to -1. Then work done is equals to Fs into -1. So you will get here negative Fs means work is done negative force. अर्थ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? So if it is a 180 degree, then work done will be negative. Right? Work done negative. When the applied force and the displacement are in the opposite direction. Same direction ittandre work done will be maximum or positive. If they are in the opposite direction, the work done will be negative. Example, simple example. There is a road, it is a rough surface. On road any vehicle is moving or person is walking means what happens? What is present? Frictional force is present. So you are walking on the floor means what happens? You are moving towards and there is a frictional force that is applying backside. See here, you are moving towards. ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? There is a opposite force, frictional force. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ stop ಮಾಡ್ತದ. Suppose if there is a no frictional force means you can't stand also properly, you will fall down. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಾಕ್. Or a vehicle is moving. Imagine the vehicle is moving, car is moving. So car is moving on this surface. ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Car is moving means force is applying this direction. Sir, applying a force. Force is what? Mass into acceleration. Acceleration ಎಷ್ಟು ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟದು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ? ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. Otherwise brakes will not apply for the vehicles or a person. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Means displacement is in this direction and frictional force will be in this direction. Both are in opposite direction. Then force is what? Negative. Which force? Frictional force is negative. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? The same example. So what I told here, if any object, if it is falling freely under the gravity, what happens? Gravity force will be positive. If you are lifting upward, that lifting force is what? Negative. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. The frictional force on the rough surface is negative. Frictional force on the rough surface is negative because applied force and displacement both are in opposite direction. Both are in opposite direction. One more example, spring. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೆನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್, ಅದೇ ತರ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚಿಂಗ್, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್. ಈ ತರ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಿಡಿದಿರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚಿಂಗ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀರಂದ್ರ ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚಿಂಗ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ? ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಹೇಗಂತ? ರೈಟ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, if theta is 90 degree, what happens? Cos 90 0. If theta is 90 degree, then equation 1 becomes W is equals to Fs cos theta. W is equals to Fs cos 90. Cos 90 enta. Then work done will be, one step miss aaytu. Work done is equals to Fs into 0. Now it is 0. 0 multiplied by anything will be 0. Now here work done is 0 or minimum. You can say minimum. Work done, no work done, no work done, or minimum work done. Minimum if the applied force and displacement both are perpendicular to each other. When they are perpendicular to each other, then work done will be 0 always. Example, the centripetal force is 0. Centripetal force is 0. There is a circular track or a circular path or circular road. So vehicle is moving in this direction. Then what happens from here to here? This is the radius. If it is moving from here to here means this is the displacement. So here 90 degree. Any point on a circular path, if you consider any point, that will be always 90 degree perpendicular. This is the radius. This radius is nothing but centripetal force. Circular path ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? Centripetal force. So here displacement is in this direction means the displacement and this radius always 90 degree perpendicular. Just example. And one more example you can say, if any person is holding a loaded box, then what happens? He carrying a loaded box on his shoulder or a head. He is moving horizontally, but the force is applying vertically. So how much force is applying that loaded box to that person? In the opposite direction, the person, the man also applying the same force in the opposite direction means they are balanced. So even though after applying the force there is a displacement in which direction? Horizontal. Imagine ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನೀವೇ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ, ಹೆವಿ ಲೋಡೆಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನೋ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ, ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? In that bag, how much weight is there? The same weight, the same force you are applying in the opposite direction, lift madiri, then it is, the bag is not falling and also you are moving. Enagtada? That applied force is perpendicular to horizontal distance. Yes or no? You are holding a bag on your head head and you are moving horizontal. See the displacement. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ displacement is perpendicular. Now it is understood. Or one more example, you are pushing a rigid wall. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು push ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀರಿ, you are applying so much force, but this board or a wall is not displacing. Then work done is zero. Yes or no? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? This is what negative work done, or work done is zero, or you can say minimum work done. So next, units of work. What is the SI unit and CGS unit? Tell me fast. So better we'll discuss units tomorrow. So let us take a problem. Find the work done by the question. Find the work done by the external force and frictional force on the mass of 10 kg when it displaced by 5 meter. When it is displaced by 5 meter. So here is a surface. On this surface there is a block. Mute your speaker. So this is having a how much weight mark? 10 kg block or object is there. Let us take it as a 10 kg. So you are applying a force. How much force you are applying here? Applied force will be 50 Newton. Let us take it as a 50 Newton. So this block and this surface, there is a friction, coefficient of friction. How much it is? Mu is equals to 0.1. Then, so block is, you are applying the force in this direction, is this block will be moving in this direction. So how much distance it will cover? The same 10 kg block will be displaced from this position to this position. Let us take it as a how much? 5 meter. Yes, displacement. So it is the question, you have to find the work done by the external force. Work done by the external force you have to calculate, and the work done by frictional force. Both you have to calculate. And they are given mass is 10 kg. When it is displaced, if you are applying the 50 Newton means it will get displaced. How much displacement is done? 5 meter. And coefficient of friction is given, mu is equals to 0.1. How to calculate? Solution. First we will find external force. So external force andre you are applying the external force, that is F is equals to 50 Newton. Artha agtidena? This is what? External force, external agent. So right here, work done of external force is equals to, what is the formula? F into S. So F is how much here? Force 50 into displacement is 5. 250 joule. This is the work done, positive work done. Work done is positive, there is no negative. Now you have to calculate a work done by frictional force. If frictional force andre, if the block is moving in this direction means frictional force is opposite direction. Here how much friction is there? You have to calculate. By how much friction the work is done. Work done you have to calculate. Draw the free body diagram here. This is 10 kg block. So weight is how much? Mg. Balanced force, normal reaction R. Then what is the formula here? First find static friction, limiting friction. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇದು? kinetic or static ಅಂತ calculation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So right here Fs is what? Frictional force. Formula Us into R. Again R can be replaced by Us into Mg. So I will calculate here. Fs is equals to Us value is given. How much it is? 0.1 into mass is given 10 kg. Acceleration is 10 meter per second square. So Fs is how much? 10 Newton. But it is applied in the opposite direction. See here, applied force in this direction, frictional force is in opposite direction. Then how to write? Work done by frictional force is equals to minus Fs. Always frictional force is negative. Right here, how much force you are applying here? Minus 50 into displacement is, sorry, this is 10. This F is nothing but a friction force, that is 10 Newton into 5. How much more? 10 into 5 minus 50 joule. So minus 50 joule is the work done by the frictional force. Is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೇಗಂತ? We'll solve many more problems. Just it is an example. You have to calculate a total work done. That is external force, frictional force, gravity force, Bion's force, air resistance force. Many forces are there. We'll discuss more problems. Now this problem is understood. First calculated by external force. Simple. Work done formula in F into S. Already you know the applied force, that is 50, and the displacement is S. Direct calculation. So there is no negative. That's why positive work is done. Next, frictional force calculation madbekandre again F into S. Here F is what? Frictional force. So frictional force is Fs. Fs can be calculated by applying the formula mu S into R. Again R is balanced by the normal reaction into weight. So mu into m into g ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? Frictional force. Just apply this force to here. Why are taken negative? Frictional force is always negative. Is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Now take another problem. A force F is equals to 2I cap plus 3J cap minus 4K cap acts on a body and displaces it from 2, 1, 0 from 3, 4, 2. Find the work done. Find the work done. We have to calculate the work done. Direct force is given, but displacement they are given in terms of coordinate points 2, 1, 0 and 3, 4, 2. So we know that work done is equals to force into displacement can be taken as a R. Coordinates are given, that's why instead of R, S, D, different notations they are using for a displacement for different books, in a different books. Now first calculate R. How to calculate R? R position vector. Nenpide? How to write a position vector? R2 minus R1. So now tell me R2. R2 andre this is R1, this is R2. Here IJK. Now tell me R2 is 3 I cap plus 4 J cap plus 2 K cap minus R1 2 I cap plus J cap plus 0. So R is equals to plus 3I minus 2I plus 3I 1 into I is I only. Next plus J plus 4. How much you will get? This is minus, sorry, because minus into plus minus. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? This is R. You have to multiply this minus inside. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Now tell me, this is plus 4 minus G, that is 3 J cap plus 2 K cap. This is your R. Now you know R and F, multiply. Work done is equals to F into R. F ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಮಾ? Right here 2 I cap plus 3 J cap minus 4 K cap dot R. R is how much? I cap plus 3 J cap plus 2 K cap. Answer me. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ I into I 1 I into j 0. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ is equals to I into I 1, 2 into 1 is 2 only. Again j into j 1, 3 3s are 9 plus into minus 2 4s are answer 9 minus 8 1 plus 2 3 joule. So total work done by the force and displacement is 3 joule. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? I into I j into j ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ.